Nathaniel and Selena, as you prepare to pledge your vows to each other, let me remind you that marriage is made in heaven, and it's a union of two lives, two hearts that beat as one, so welded together that they walk and work in love. A husband and wife should bear each other's burdens as well as share in each other's joys. Remember that you'll have to cultivate the art of living together. Be considerate, be loving, helpful, and tender-hearted, always putting the other one's needs first and holding one another up in love.
I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do.
Selena Brand Rhodes. I remember the first time I saw you, that beautiful smile, that amazing hug. I felt like I'd known you forever. But what really drew me to you was your love for God and your love for others. I remember telling my family this is the type of woman I'd like to marry one day. The more I got to know you, the more I started falling for you. Your kindness for the outcast, your joyful spirit, your forgiving heart, your unconditional love truly gives me a taste of heaven. This is why I call you my angel. I know you always say you're not an angel because you're not perfect. That's not why I call you my angel. It's because you love me and my imperfection. Times I've doubted myself and you've encouraged me. Always lifting me up, always believing in me. Always seeing the greatest in me like Jesus does. You have genuinely cared for my soul, and that's why today I want to marry you. The key to our marriage is God. He brought us together, and He will keep us together. If we keep our eyes on Him and place Him as number one in our lives, we have nothing to worry, because perfect love casts out all fear, as God's word says. I love you, and I'm blessed God has trusted me with you.
Words will never be enough to express how much I love you. How thankful I am to God for giving you to me, or how honored I am to become one with you. But I'll do my best today to scratch the surface. The day I met you, I knew there was something different about you, something very special. Your passion for God was evident in every word you spoke, and your heart for Him was evident in the way you chose to serve Him. Those things still remain my favorite things about you. I will never forget saying, this is exactly the kind of man I prayed for. On our first date, you blew me away with how serious you were about serving God with all your heart, mind, and soul. You spoke how a real man of God should speak. But the best part isn't that you spoke it, but that you live how a real man of God should live every day. You are my taste of heaven, evidence of God's faithfulness, and the closest thing I have to the heart of God on earth. You're the greatest person I've ever known. It's my complete joy and honor to make this covenant between you and God today. Today I, Selena Brand Rhodes, as I become Selena Brand Ware, vow to you, Nathaniel Mark Ware, before God and our loved ones, to love God first so that I can love you well, daily. I vow to love you unconditionally for all of my days. I vow to always remember that this is a once-in-a-lifetime love from God, and that love is a choice. Today and every day, forever I choose you. In every season, in every storm, in every battle, I choose to stand by your side and never give up. Now and forever, I am wholly and completely yours. Today, I submit myself to you. I die to my flesh, surrender myself at the altar, and step into this covenant between God, you and I, as a living sacrifice for our God, and as a faithful, loving, giving, helpful wife. I love you more today than I did yesterday, but not as much as I will tomorrow. Forever and ever, and always.
Friends and family, it gives me great honor to present to you for the first time Nathaniel and Selena Ware.
Nothing God wants again. Oh, I can't believe it's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love